Hi, everyone. This is Jennifer Ponder. Wanted to come to you this evening and talk to you about Google Nano Banana. It's all the rage. It's the new image generator that Google Gemini has available, this latest model under the Gemini 2.5 Flash. So if you have not tried it, this is amazing. You can get to it from aistudio.google.com. You can sign up for an account there. So this is going to be the main interface that you see here. Over to the left, you have your items like chat, where you can chat in the prompt window here. You can stream, generate media, also build. There are several different apps. I'll show you one that I love, the Past Forward. You can upload a photo and travel against time, where you can see yourself in the 60s, 70s, 80s, or 90s. And also you have history, documentation, and your dashboard here. And so I want to show you what's possible with images and how they stay consistent. So just some of the things that I've already created. We're going to get into creating a storybook this evening with Gemini. And so I have one of the characters that I created here, and her name is Zuri. So as you can see, the prompt that I entered: create a little girl with ponytails, a purple dress, and cute purple flower earrings, and the little girl has brown skin with golden undertones and pink lip gloss, right? So she's so cute here. But then I wanted to create her as a Pixar style character. So and I'm just change that because it looks like we had a little bit of a typo there. So I'm going to add that in again. And let's see if it comes out. But most of the images that I have created with Google Nano Banana, they have been consistent and they have been awesome. So we're going to let that generate there for a minute. I want to hop over to Google Storybook, the Gemini Storybook. This is something that is a game changer, where you can create your story in minutes. And also it's an audio storybook. So if you want to give this for a birthday gift, also, if you want to give this out to any of your company stakeholders and people in your community, letting them know about your business or anything that you're doing. Also, you can create those sentimental documents, where if you want to create stories for family members to document special times like birthdays, holidays, just any type of milestones. This has been awesome. So go ahead, go over to Gemini.google overview storybook, and you can just Google Gemini Storybook and click on start your story. You want to make sure you set up your account, and here is where you can kind of go ahead and just prompt what you want. So we're going to take a look in Google Nano Banana here and see how our little girls came out. And you can see here that the image has stayed consistent. So if you notice, a lot of times in ChatGPT, you may have had to prompt over and over again to get the image you want. Of course, with generative AI, it is prompting, it is generating new content every time. So you have to feed it that reference image several times until it gets what you want. And depending on that, could be one thing that I've noticed in ChatGPT, but in Google Nano Banana, the images have stayed consistent. And so with ChatGPT 5, of course, the model has become updated, much better with image generation. So it just depends on which is your favorite. But Nano Banana, definitely you could use it for a lot. So here I want to show you what I've already been working on, right? This is a story about chemistry, right? So I wanted to create Zuri as my 7-year-old niece. She was learning about chemistry, right? And so here you can see in this book, Zuri the chemist, here it shows her working with her grandpa in the kitchen, learning about chemistry. So here is up here, you have your listen, where you can listen to it. You can also print this out. But if you take a look at the cover, just look at these images and the color. This is just amazing. And I'm going to let you hear the sounds here. This has just been a game changer. If you were looking to create any type of books, needed a publisher, needed an illustrator, what you can do with Google Storybook. So I'm going to let you hear a little bit of it here. As you see, as you can see, this is awesome. This is phenomenal. So if you have those little ones at home and you want to create something special for them, you definitely can. I want to show you here. We're going to just go ahead and prompt. I'm going to say create Zuri a friend. Girl, create another little girl. Hey, let's just say she has a blue dress, 4 ponytails, blue flower earrings, she is smiling. Make her Pixar style. So let's see what we get from this as well. And while that is running, I just want to show you what's possible, what I've been able to create here. So you'll just see some of these. I love creating children's books. Kennedy's Magical Red Bike. I've also created a coloring book here, Jenny's Science Adventure. Look at those pages. You know, I can't wait to give this away as coloring books for gifts for Christmas to family members who are little ones who are learning about STEM. This has been a phenomenal thing. I also have Jenny's STEM Adventure and Jenny's first computer. I mean, I've just been blown away creating things that I really loved as a child and just wanted to see come to fruition with creating my line of children's books. So we're going to go back over to Nano Banana. Let's see if our image is done. Look at that. This is awesome. They look like twins, of course. You know, you can keep prompting it to kind of give it a different look, but they look like twins. I say create a friend, but I can put her in the story as a twin. But I just want you to see what's possible with Google Nano Banana here and how you can create different things. Let's go back to that story, Zuri the chemist. And so as you continue your journey, I wanted to create something here that will show you how you can use Google Nano Banana tangibly and use it in Google Storybook. So I hope that you found this training helpful. I'll be doing some other content creation this month. And again, this is Jennifer Ponder. I look forward to seeing you soon. And want to tell you about on October 2nd, I have an all new training coming for AI agents. I definitely want you to be there. I'm going to give you more information about that. So follow me on Jennifer Ponder Speaks on Facebook and IG. And I hope this has been helpful. So I will see you in the next one. Have a good evening.